what I want to appear today.
What do you want to appear today?
I want to rhyme with slimy blaster cake.
How are you going to make that happen?
Welcome back to Fun Things with Justin. Today we're gonna be making a Ryan's World Cake Blaster. What is a Ryan's World Slime Blaster? Slimy. Whoa. Now let's see what toys are inside.
What's inside?
I think I got a slime blaster, slimy blaster.
Whoa! What is it? Let me see.
It's a slimy blaster.
That's awesome.
Slimy Ryan's World Blaster.
Ryan's Instant Slimy Blaster. Let's see.
And there's a green slime and a blue slime.
Awesome.
There's two blues and there's two greens.
Let's see if there's anything else inside.
Yeah. Another one.
What? We got two?
So we're gonna hit some target.
Oh, yeah, let's have a challenge.
Mommy and me are gonna do a challenge.
That's right.
We combo and rotated.
That's right. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the slime blasters and we're gonna
try to get them in the lines, and whoever gets them out of the lines loses.
That's right. So we're gonna try to get all the slime inside the picture. So, combo Panda and
Red Titan.
Red.
Yay! Yay!
Let's go do the challenge.
Let's open these. I'm gonna open this one first. These are really stuck together. Wow, cool! Oh! Cool! So this is this slime blaster.
It's a slimy blaster. That's awesome. How many packs do we have?
So we have 4.
We have 4.
And then this is 2 blues and then 2 greens. Make sure we don't spill any.
Okay, Mommy's gonna use the blue and Justin's gonna use the green.
This is Combo Panda. He's a video gamer, so that's why his headphones are on.
Oh, okay. And who is the other one?
This is Red Titan, and he has a mask because he's a superhero.
Okay, so let's get started. We are going to stay as much as we can inside the lines and see who is going to win the challenge using our slimy blaster.
The challenge begins now.
Go. Okay, that's enough for Mommy using the blue. Let's switch now. You use blue and Mommy uses green. It's a little hard to push the trigger, but when it comes out, it's gooey and it's really neat. Look at this at the bottom. You see that?
do it with 2 hands.
Yeah.
Like this.
Let me see. Really cool. You gotta use those 2 hands, right? Okay, go. So Jay, do you like these slime blasters? Yeah. I think stayed in the lines better. Mommy?
Got more out of the lines than me.
I did get out of the lines a lot. It was actually kind of hard to kill these. And then, or did Justin stay in the lines with Combo Panda? Comment down below who you think stayed more in the lines. Justin, you think we should squirt each other now?
Yeah!
Okay, let's squirt each other a little bit. Go ahead. Where are you hiding, Justin? Found ya!
Where are you gonna go? Where is she gonna go? I think she's somewhere. Ah! I think she's somewhere. Found you, Mommy. Run!
Let's shoot it. Boom.
Oh my God, garden snake. I could shoot super far. Farther because I have more water in mine.
Yeah, that's the trick. You want to have more water.
Yeah.
Make sure you have a lot of water in them or they get stuck. Those are too slimy.
Yeah, they're too thick.
Yeah, it gets thick. What we did, we used 1 pack and filled it all the way up with water, which worked pretty good. But once it starts to run down and it's halfway, it gets thick and we have to put more water in. So I suggest just using half the pack and filling it all the way up. That might be a little better.
Kind of watery.
Okay, we're gonna try it with just water inside and see how far it goes. Wow. It does go a little farther. How's the slimy blaster taste?
Tastes like slime. It's really good. Mom will never disappoint. Yum. Thanks guys for watching this video. Hit down below. Bye!